Alright guys, listen up. Following the trend to the upside is great and all, but sniping the top for a huge reversal with a rug pull is more epic and pays a lot more, which is what we did to make 400%. The algo said the downside, I gave the full walkthrough and confirmation all the way up until the time was ready, and then we collapsed all the way back down. And I want to show you the full walkthrough in the Discord, step by step what we did, and how we made an epic trade today. So let's hop in. All right, so looking here at 937, today is LR activation, super rare, only happened 4 times in the past 3 years. And I don't like how far entry 2 zone is. So if you look here, entry 2 zone, usually we have our entry 1 and then we have a retracement for entry 2 zone. Usually it's around like this area over here where our 2 levels are, but it's clearly way beyond that, which is very, very unusual. So let's just focus on these 2 levels in case it doesn't reach that level. So I haven't taken a position yet as I'm not comfortable with a rare formula. Entry 2 zone is too far away, so we got to use boxes or levels of rejection to be our guidance. First thing we need to see is this 50-minute box hold it down. If it doesn't and breaks a 3-minute box, then I will enter after. So this 50-minute box is the first thing we want to look for. Hold it down, and then this 3-minute box we want to break for our entry down. If it doesn't do that and continues to go up, we just patiently wait for the opportunity to reveal itself. All right. Now I realize that the 685 is a magnet and also can be a rejection zone to top this. We will wait to see how it reacts around that area. So, not only is 685 our top zone, but it so happens to be a magnet, meaning that this can draw itself all the way up here before it actually rejects. So let's just let it brew, let it do what it's got to do, patiently wait, and we'll snipe the top. So right now, blue dash resistance is holding. In that case, I'll wait for the 15-minute box break. If it doesn't, like I said, I'm just going to keep waiting for that red dash 685 magnets to hit. All right, so now we're approaching the 685 magnets, okay? Now here's the key. When you have a straight move up, respecting a trend line, as you can see here, these tend to fall right back down. And so if this were to go up, dip, you know, having some pullbacks here and there, that would confirm to us that it is a bull trend. But when it just viciously goes up because of what happened with Trump over the pre-market, that usually collapses down and you get your rug pulls. So remember, red dash is our top level, meaning that's the top of our range. And we have a trend up, and we have the algo saying it's got to come back down. All right. Red dash 680 magnets starting to stop this momentum up with the trend line break. I want to see the first 5-minute box turn orange with blue dash break to confirm that these won't be held as support. So once this breaks, I want to see this box break with this blue dash. Depending on what type of trader you are, if you are a beginner, you'd wait for more confirmation because this will tell us that there is no support, it's going to fall down. And if you're an expert, then you can obviously take your position before that. So it just all depends, but I like to point out things because I do have a lot of new traders in the group and I want to make sure that they have a risk-free position with confirmation that is listed here. Boom! Look at that. Violence drop to the downside. Violence, and bang. Look at that. That's basically 1 day expiry from the top to the bottom is about 400%. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I like these kind of trades. I don't like to follow and chase the trends. I like the reversals. I like the pullbacks. I like the rug pulls. This is what pays more. You make more money doing this than you would have chasing up. Chasing up, we've already calculated, you would have made around 120%. Sniping it from the top to the down, you're making 400%. It's as easy as that, and the algo knew that something was coming. So if you guys like this, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next recap.